Salam, my sweet friends. Hi there. Welcome back to another video. I am so glad that you guys are all here today. As you guys can see, I'm sharing a video after a while today. It's an Eid video, and I know I am so late, but I still did not want this video to go to waste. I definitely did want to share with you guys, and I got so many beautiful messages from all of you guys on Instagram and on my YouTube and private messages saying why I didn't share an Eid vlog. It's because I guess I've been sharing for a few years now, and you guys are so used to the detailed vlogs, but this year, guys, it was a little different. You guys know how it was right after Ramadan, and I was so exhausted and so tired, and we had so much nice food throughout the whole Ramadan that, to be honest, I didn't really want to think of a lot of food on Eid and just, like, you know, stuff ourselves and just eat a lot of food because it was hot, and I just didn't really feel like it. But inshallah, you guys will see what we did. It was quick, easy, simple, and delicious. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to thumbs up and let me know what you guys think down below, guys. So a few days before Eid, I went to visit Zadi Fashion Boutique. It's my aunt's store. Her clothing boutique. She has all kinds of kuse, jewelry, made and unmade, stitched and unstitched suits for all kinds of occasions, all sizes, all kinds of brands, originals, you know, just regular, just beautiful clothes. So she got new shipments, very beautiful ones, and this is the suit that I chose. Really pretty, really simple, just something that I really thought exactly what I felt like wearing on Eid. Something cooling, light colors, you know, just easy, simple, not where I won't feel hot or just suffocated, or, you know, just very simple. I wanted something very light colored and very nice. So this was, alhamdulillah, very beautiful, and I got these kuse jutian to go with them. They're really pretty, very affordable, and really nice. I couldn't make up my mind. Those were all the kids' clothes that she had, but yeah, that's the one that I went with. And now it was time for lunch, of course. So we had an early lunch. We had very simple pulao. We had chane, like a desi Punjabi chane. We had a yummy beef pulao. I didn't want to make it in chicken. And we had fried chicken, naan, chaat, and the main thing that we wanted to like really focus and concentrate on for this Eid was the dessert table. So my sisters helped me with this. I didn't do it alone, and we wanted it to look really nice for the kids, and just something, we just wanted it to be really memorable and really nice for the kids, so they could always remember how pretty we put everything together. And it's just a memory for everyone. We always remember, you know, when we were little, our aunts and uncles and our parents would go through so much to make Eid so special for us. So that's what we wanted to do for our kids. So we set up this nice dessert table, put up balloons for the little ones, made everything look really nice. We had different kinds of drinks, and we had different kinds of dessert shots. So we had, some were pineapple, some were pistachio, some were cookies and cream, some were cheesecake and strawberry. And now, as you guys can see, I'm putting the pulao, and it turned out really good. You guys don't know how quick I made this. Like, I was in such of a big hurry. I made this so fast, and it turned out really good, guys. And for this, I used basmati rice. I didn't use the sela rice that I usually use. And if you guys want the recipes, please, I'll leave the link down below. Check them out, and or just search pulao on my channel. You guys will see lots and lots of different videos and the whole method of how I make this pulao. So, you know how when Ramadan passes by and you're so full and, you know, you're not really into the food because you've had so much in Ramadan and stuff. So on Eid, we didn't really want to make a lot of different things, what normally we do. But this year I was like, nah, let's concentrate more on the desserts and stuff. We're going to let this just be real simple and easy. So chaat, we had some beef korma, Punjabi chane, or chana masala, and the pulao. It was that simple with naan, and oh, it was so good. The soft naan inside the salons, oh my goodness, it was really, really good. We had the chaat, we had some salad to go along with it, and tandoori naan, and that was it, guys. That was our simple Eid lunch. The colors that we chose for the theme were this nice blue, kind of turquoise, purple, like a little lighter blue, some dark navy blue. These were yummy little bite-sized cheesecakes. They were so good with the cherries on top. My sister made those. She also made a Eid Mubarak cake that was really, really nice. My mom had sat on itikaf, so we were really happy, and we wanted to make a nice Eid Mubarak cake for her as well to just kind of celebrate, and a very warm, beautiful Mubarak to everyone that sat on itikaf this year in Ramadan. May Allah accept your ibadat and make all your duas and dreams come true, inshallah. So guys, this was it. This was our simple Eid setup. The food was so hot that I ended up not putting the fire onto the burners down below, and first we let the men eat, and then after that it was time for us to eat. And after that, of course, like always, we had chai or tea, and lots of desserts throughout the day. They were so cold, so cooling, and so yummy, guys. When I was younger, I remember my mom always saying to us that every day is Eid when the family's together and when everyone has good health and everything's good. I remember I'd get upset and tell my mom, why would you say that? Every day is not Eid. Why would you compare every day with Eid and stuff, you know? But as I'm growing up, and I really realize exactly what my mom meant by then. Like now as an adult, of course, you know, you think every day is Eid when my family's together under one roof, happy, healthy together, you know, just we're so blessed in so many ways. Every day is Eid for us, and for anyone else that has parents or family or anyone that has passed, you know, may Allah bless them and give them Jannat and reunite them all in Jannat, inshallah, and give them sabr, because I know Eid is a day that, like, for no reason my parents would be here with me, and I feel so sad, you know, for as you grow older, your emotions, your thinking, everything changes, you know. You're just so glad and so happy to be alive and together, and, you know, so grateful to have parents and siblings and your kids and everyone. So for all the parents and everyone out there that has passed, may Allah grant them Jannat al-Firdaus and give their families sabr. And for our families, every day is Eid for us, inshallah. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this short little vlog video of mine, and I am back, inshallah, with lots and lots of more videos coming up right after this for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please, friends, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think down below. And inshallah, I hope you guys take care, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.